What's your first thought when you hear the word tutorial? Boring, right? Forget that and explore Abto's interactive tutorial tool. It makes tutorials engaging and fun. And this is how it works. Let's say there's an online tutorial you are planning on going through. Just copy and paste the link into the Abto interactive tutorial tool and click Run Tutorial. The tool will use AI algorithms to interpret written instructions and navigate you automatically through the target application with prompts for assistance. To illustrate an example, imagine setting up the Out of the Office reply in Microsoft Outlook. The tool will navigate you through each step of the entire process and provide useful hints. What's more, it will take you from one step to another automatically, so you won't skip anything important. Sounds great, doesn't it?